Welcome to our paper quilling tutorial. Today, we'll create a beautiful Christmas wreath that will add a festive touch to your holiday decor. Paper quilling is a delightful craft that involves rolling and shaping strips of paper to create intricate designs. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process, from selecting your colors to assembling the wreath. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this project is perfect for anyone looking to spread some holiday cheer with their creativity. Let's gather our materials and get started on this charming holiday decoration. Quilling paper strips. Choose festive colors like green, red, gold, and white. You can find these in various widths, but 3 mm works well for our project. Quilling tool. A slotted tool or a needle tool will help you roll your paper strips easily. Glue. Use a good quality craft glue that dries clear, so it doesn't affect the final look of your wreath. Scissors. Circle template, optional. Tweezers. Optional, but useful for placing smaller pieces precisely. Roll the strip. Insert one end of the strip into the slotted end of the quilling tool. Begin rolling the strip tightly around the tool until you reach the end. Form the loose coil. Once you reach the end, gently slide the rolled paper off the tool without unrolling it completely. Allow the coil to expand to your desired size. This will create the loose eye shape. Apply a small amount of glue to the end of the strip to secure it in place. Gently pinch both sides of the coil to form the pointed end of the eye shape. You can adjust the shape as needed by pinching or slightly reshaping the coil. Repeat this for 48 times or more if needed. Allow the glue to dry completely before using the shapes. Let's move on to our berries. Cut a quilling strip to your desired length. We will use 6 inches for this one. Begin rolling the strip tightly around the tool, keeping it snug as you go. Hold the coil tightly and apply a small amount of glue to the end of the strip to secure it in place. Repeat this for 72 times or more if needed. Allow the glue to dry completely before using. Combine the shapes. Take the two teardrop shapes and position them side by side, with their pointed ends facing inwards. Glue together. Apply a small amount of glue where the two shapes meet at the pointed ends. Hold them in place until the glue sets. Repeat this step for the rest of the shapes. Gently wrap the strip around the leaf, following the curve, and secure it in place with glue as you go. Once you've covered the leaf to your satisfaction, trim any excess and secure the end with glue. Position the leaves. Place the two leaves next to each other to decide on their arrangement. You can overlap them or position them side by side. Let's move on to our berries. Cut a narrow strip of green quilling paper for the stem. Create multiple berries, 28 to 30, for a cluster. Make more if needed, glue them together at their bases, arranging them to your preference. Now, let's start assembling our Christmas wreath. Begin gluing the leaves and berries around the circular base. Start from one point and work your way around, overlapping them for a fuller appearance. Once everything is glued and dry, check for any loose ends or excess glue and clean up as needed. If you want to hang your wreath, attach a loop of ribbon or quilling paper at the top. I hope these instructions help you create beautiful quilled projects. Quilling is a delightful way to express your creativity. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy crafting! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafting tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video. God bless you.